Hey, this is Mike. I just want to show you this 2004 Dodge Durango in silver. Now this does have the 5.7 liter Hemi engine in it. It's got plenty of power. It's got third row seating. Really nice vehicle. But leather seats. But I'll show you all that in a second. Right now, these front headlights are faded, but there's a guy supposed to come by and fix that. He can make them crystal clear. So just to let you know that right now they're not done, but they will be soon. It does have fog lights, and it's got 17-inch aluminum wheels, and with four-wheel disc brakes, traction control and stuff. You got your luggage racks there on the top, and got a little bit of tint in the back glass for the rear passengers. And tires are about, I guess, halfway down. They're not new, but they're not bald or anything, so still got some life on the tires. You got a towing package ready to go. This is the SLT. You can see right there, it's got the Hemi Magnum. Okay, I'm going to open up the back here, and these seats do fold down. You can see these flaps fold down too, and that way you got a flat surface when it folds down. You got some storage space under here, power outlet to the right there, and this is the third row here, and you can see it's got some cup holders there to the left, and but none there on the right that I can see. You got some vents for the rear passengers, lights and everything. So that's good. Alright, let's close this down. Come up here. You got your fuel cap here on the driver's side. Here's the inside of the back door. You got a speaker there, pocket at the bottom, a little pocket there, handle. Little looks like a little tweeter there in the door. This has the Infinity premium sound system, I think. Here's the back seats. You got leather, nice firm quality leather, comfortable. And I'll show you something here in a second. This right here folds down. Let's see if I can unlatch it with one and do it with one hand. There we go. There we go. That comes down, and then you got cup holders there in the middle, and it's kind of like an armrest. And you can pass stuff back to the third passenger there, third row passengers. Here's your climate control settings in the back, and cup holders there. Now you're probably thinking, how in the world is the third row seaters are going to get back there? You can climb over the seats. It's got this. See if I can do it with one hand. This comes down like that, and then you see that little red knob down there. Lift that up. That pretty much gets out of the way for the most part, and that way you can step right on in and go to the third row. So that's how that works. It's fairly simple, and I could easily do it with one hand closing it like that and like that. Alrighty, here's the inside of the front door. Got a pocket there on the bottom, speaker. Yeah, there's the premium sound system, Infinity, and you got your side mirror controls, windows, and door locks and stuff. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in. Now this does have the controls where you can make your pedals lower or higher, adjust them right where you want them. Power seat here. And I think it has manual lumbar support. Yeah, it looks like that's a manual lumbar support, but everything else is power. Now let me turn the fan down a little bit here. Sounds really good in here. Got speakers up on the dash too. Pretty cool. And you can I mean, you can just crank it. I don't know if you can hear in the you see that's like halfway and it's really loud. Alrighty, so anyway, we got tilt steering. I'm going to tilt the steering down a little bit so you can see the gauges here. White gauges, easy to read, pretty simple, and everything. And your cruise control settings here and here. And got like a pocket right in here. And here's your radio, which has got the Infinity sound system backing it up. You got your CD player and you know, pretty basic stereo, MP3 player. Now it is a six disc CD changer. You could just load them in there, and then that way you can just run through your CDs and listen to the music. Here's your climate control settings, pretty basic, fans and temperatures and stuff like that. And little pocket there. You turn your traction control off button to the left, power outlet to the right. You got some more pockets down there with change holders and stuff like that. This one, it's got like a rubber padding, which this one does as well. And there's your cup holder, little pocket there. And this armrest opens up and you've got like a little pocket there. I guess you can put like a half sharpened pencil there or something. You got a place for a pen up there. And here is a deep place to put stuff, and you got a power supply in there, right there, if you can see that. Not sure what this is. Maybe tissues or something. If you know, let me know, because I don't know what that is. And glove compartment. Garage door controls up here, tap lights, and this is to adjust your clock and stuff and different settings. Let's see here. You can change that. That's your odometer. There's your clock. Turn it off. Stuff like that. So visors have mirrors and lights. Same thing on that side. It's got some wood grain trim here, which looks cool. And the seats are pretty comfortable, actually. Somebody's already got the lumbar support going, so that's really good. Alrighty, third row vehicle. I think the price is really good on this vehicle. It's got a third row, it's got a Hemi, runs good, feels comfortable. So if you're interested in it, if you want to take it for a test drive, my name is Mike, and my phone number and email address will be in the description. See you next time.